English philosopher Herbert Spencer coined the term evolution to represent the phenomenon that brings about continuous and orderly changes in nature. The word evolution was derived from Latin word evolver, where e means out and volver means to roll out or unfold. Evolution is described as change through time. It can be used to represent any change in physical or biological world. Lots of things in our surroundings change over the time. The leaves on trees change color and fall. Plants grow and die. Mountain ranges rise and erode. Languages and cultures change. As a matter of fact, evolution occurs at different levels and involves all the components of universe, both living and non-living. It may be at the molecular level, chemical evolution, at the level of physical objects like change in land topography, physical evolution, at the level of stars and planets in the universe, stellar evolution or cosmic evolution, at the level of living objects, biological evolution. The term bioevolution or evolutionary biology was introduced by Mayer. It is also called organic evolution or biological evolution. Evolutionary biology is defined as the process of gradual changes in organisms to form more and more complex forms over a long period of time. Darwin has defined evolution as descent with modification. Theodore Dobzhansky has defined evolutionary biology as the study of history of evolution of newer and more complex form of life on the earth from pre-existing simpler ones over a period of time. Biological evolution is not just a change in time. It deals with very specific type of changes such as changes in the frequency of different genes in the organisms of a population or species over generations or large scale changes leading to the origin of new species from a common ancestor over many generations. The central idea of biological evolution is that all life on earth shares a common ancestor, just as you and your cousins share a common grandmother or grandfather. Through the process of descent with modification, the common ancestor of life on earth gave rise to tremendous diversity over a very long period. This diversity in life is well illustrated by present day living forms and the forms that existed in past and are documented in the fossil records. Based on the concept of biological evolution, all living organisms, plants, animals, and bacteria, etc., have some common ancestor. We can say that not only monkeys or chimpanzees, even birds, whales, snakes, worms, and trees are all our distant cousins. Definition of biological evolution. Biological evolution or organic evolution is defined as the process of continuity of life with constant modifications. It means living organisms modify and adapt according to the ever-changing environmental needs. These modifications keep accumulating in the organisms generations after generations, resulting in more complex and better adapted new species. Therefore, organic evolution is the evolution of present complex and highly organized living beings from simpler and less organized living beings of the past by gradual modifications accumulated through successive generations over millions of years. Basic concept of organic evolution. The basic concept of organic evolution envisages continuity of life with constant modification. It suggests that environmental conditions in nature are ever changing. Organisms have an inherent tendency to change in response to the changing environmental conditions. This is called adaptability or adaptation. Such adaptive changes in organisms are inherited by the offspring and lead to the origin of new species, that is evolution. Since changes in the organisms are due to adaptations, new species are always better adapted and more organized than their ancestors. Different members of a species, on being adapted to different environments, diversify and evolve along several divergent lines and form new species. All the present day species had a common ancestor at some or other time of their evolution. That is monophyletic genealogy. Individuals migrate from their place of origin to varied geographical areas and gradually adapt to different environmental conditions. This results in formation of several new species from one ancestral species. That is divergent evolution. Organisms from varied regions also migrate to a common habitat and modify to adapt to that habitat. As a result, organisms from distantly related groups developed common features. That is convergent evolution. Evolution is a very complex and extremely slow process. It is not possible to see one type of animals changing to other, but presence of integrating organisms supports the concepts of evolution. Evolutionary changes are continuous. They occurred in past, are continuing in present, and will continue in future.